If you have dirty tires that look like this, but you want to get them nice and clean, looking like this in about 5 minutes, well, I found some cheap products that actually do the job. Good day everyone, GarageKing here, and today we're going to do a quick 5-minute clean with some cheap products that I found. I'll throw up a picture. It's Simoniz stuff here. Let's get a picture. There we go. So one is a rim cleaner, effectively removes brake dust, and the other one's a UV protector, and it's good for rubber. So we're going to spray that on the tires and see how well it actually works. Here you can see is a shot of my calipers. The paint is flaking off. I'll have to paint them again, so maybe let me know what color you think I should paint them. So here's the tire, nice and easy. We're just going to spray it on, hose it off. Now you can see here when I'm hosing it off, you can actually see the water is beading a bit on the tire. Now what that beading is it's because I've applied, I guess, UV protectant or that tire gel, any of those type of products. After a while, those products really start building up on your tire and they actually make your tire look like crap. So when I'm using this cleaner, I want to make sure I actually clean the rubber part of it, like the actual tire too. It's not just the rim, because you'd be surprised how much dirt you actually get off your tire. And there you can see there's a dirt running off, and you can see there's these little sort of marks right here.
There we go. I'm trying to pick it up a little bit better for you guys. There you go. You can actually see it. You can see the black right there on the rubber. So that's the old stuff. So if you just keep applying that black there, it does build up. So we want to make sure we get all that black off the rubber, but that's what I'm talking about right there. That'll actually come off. You can even, there you go. So you can kind of see I scratch it off with my nail a little bit, but that's what we want to have take off the tire.